Hello everyone, I'm Ganesh Somasundaram, founder and CEO of CTD Tech's group of companies. At CTD Techs, we specialize in delivering cutting-edge artificial intelligence, agentic AI, and digital transformation solutions for enterprises across banking, insurance, fintech, healthcare, manufacturing, and more. We've developed specialized industry agents from wellness plan automation, circular assistant, ATM voice models, to Medicaid, medical coding, and dynamic data validation agents. Our document intelligence suite powers invoice extraction, clinical notes extraction, bank statement analysis, legal document summaries, and unstructured data extraction using advanced AI and AWS TextRack-based workflows. We've transformed customer and employee experience through customer engagement automation, AI-driven conversation assistance, virtual interviews, AI-based email enrichment, and even vision AI avatars for advanced interactive workflows. Our automation agents include automatic ticket assigners, AI-based ticket handlers, bot analyzers, and auto-fix automation, and procurement email miners. We also deliver rich analytics, meeting minutes generation, audio-video summaries,